how's it going? And welcome to my autumn video. I am not in my house. I am not in my room and not in my house. I am outside here. Look at this. Look at that. Look at that beautiful nature. Look at that beautiful nature. Yes, I'm outside, and I am here with. I am here alone. Nobody's here. Oh, I found a bag here. I found a bag here. Yes. Come. I go run a little bit, okay? I'm in the nature. No. And I'm little running. Look at me. Yes. And this is my backpack here. And we go here in this other area, okay? Oh, look at that. Oh, I am here not alone. Here is 5 people here in this nature. Yes, 5 people. Look at here, guys. Here, all these people here in this nature. And here is a woman with his dog. And guys, look at here. Here in this side. Here in this side is here in this other side is animals. Chickens and other animals, okay? And I go in this other place here. Right? Look at that nature. Look at that nature. This is unbelievable. This video. I mean this nature is nice. It's nice. It's pretty nice here. Yes. I go here and I sitting here in my. I sitting here. Okay. Wait, guys. Ooh, slowly. Wait, slowly. Look at that nature, boys. Look at that nature. La, 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 la. Woohoo! Oh, look at that nature. Look at that. Oh my God.